Ooh. So these I've actually never tried before. I'll be testing them today on you.
But you don't put shoes on.
No.
No.
I know what they're doing.
What are those?
Beauty is not taken into consideration.
Oh.
Ooh. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. We have a special guest, my mother, to help us with a Sweetie Nail Supply unboxing because we have not only one box, but two. So it's very exciting. Okay, we're gonna do my mom's nails after this, but yeah, they're desperate need.
They're horrible.
There's some neglect happening. But so one of these box is stuff that I purchased during the Sweetie Nail Supply sale. One of these box is new PR stuff. And you guys are gonna be really excited about what's in the PR box. I think you're gonna like what I bought too, but it's less exciting than what's in here. And hopefully we can find something that mom likes that we can put on her nails, although she's probably one of my pickiest clients. So.
Hey.
I mean, not a lie. I feel like all my clients in studio know exactly what colors you get. People ask, they'll be like, is your mom in soon? Is she just getting a sparkly nude?
So darn predictable.
Okay.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Okay, so actually this box, the box of stuff that I've purchased, comes with a bunch of free gifts because I spent a lot of money.
Oh, okay.
So first up, free gift number one is this little bandy pouch. It's a little zip up pouch and it's got all little, like those are little hand creams. I don't know what that is, perfume, glasses.
Gloves.
Just,
do you want me to take it out of here?
sure.
Okay.
Do you want to be my Vanna White?
I'd love to. I know you'll be editing that out later.
I'll be keeping it all. While you open that, this I was actually dying when I saw I saw this as the free gift.
When are you wearing those?
It's a leg mask, a foot and leg mask from Bandy, and it's supposed to look like lace tights, and it goes all the way up to your knees. So it's for cooling tired legs and softening rough skin.
But you don't put shoes on.
No.
No. They're pretty fancy for the tub.
No, they're like filled with like jelly that essentially go all over your legs. You can put shoes on it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Next up.
I'm crying already. Okay, here, may I hand it to you?
Yeah, sure. What do you think this is?
Calla. I don't even want to guess. It looks sort of vaginal.
Okay, it's not.
She's never having me back to do this again.
These are the Calla cuticle scissors. So these I've actually never tried before. I'll be testing them today on you.
I'm sure they're wonderful.
They're little cuticle scissors. So rather than cuticle nippers, they're little scissors. And so you just like cut around the cuticle.
They're
really
quite tiny. They're very, very cute looking.
I know, really tiny.
And it looks easy to use too.
Hopefully. And then they come with this little case. These are expensive. So
That's where some of your bulk of your money went.
I don't want to say the bulk because this parcel cost a lot, but you know.
Okay, let's move on. The new cute standard for K-nail.
Oh, cute. Okay, so this is the Roro Basic. Oh, it's not a basic gel. It's the top coat. Roro top coat. So I've got the Roro base coat. The bottles are really, really cute. And I wanted to try the top coat.
Oh, it is really cute.
So this is from the creator of Zombie, and we all know I love Zombie. So, yeah. Let's see. This is the top coat. Oh yeah, that's like a nice kind of watery texture. That's kind of what I was hoping for because I don't have anything too thin at the moment.
Okay, and here, let's stay on the same.
Okay, and then we have Zombie. I ordered Zombie top gel because it's a little bit of a thicker top gel. I actually thought I was out of this, and yesterday I was doing a bit of a declutter in my gel drawer and I realized I have half a bottle. So This is a good backup.
But you're so busy, you'll get through that quickly.
Exactly. Okay, so next we have the MG Art Control Gel. This is one of the new products from MG Art. I got it in the blush nude. I actually want to see the color. So it's like the regular hard gel, except for it's a thicker consistency. But yeah, I'm curious about the color. I've seen Yihana use these in a demo, and I wanted to give it a whirl. Excuse me, I'm just gonna grab my tweezers.
You should see how organized she is. She should actually do a video showing you inside all of the drawers.
Well,
it's pretty incredible.
Some of the drawers. Actually, look at this drawer.
Oh, wow. It's got all dividers in it and everything.
I threw out a bunch of stuff from there too yesterday because I was going through and I had so much old product that I didn't use anymore. I was trying to declutter a bit. Okay, this is the color. That's actually really nice. Online, it looked a lot more orangey.
It's very pretty. So what is this, a top coat?
No, so this is like a hard gel. So you'd use it to make like extensions.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that'll be fun to try out because it's a formula I've never used before.
I'll unwrap these while you're doing that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, nice containers.
Ooh, okay, these are fun. So these are more MG Art stuff, but I ordered 2 interesting structure gels. So I ordered Ice Nude and Flour Milk. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Does it have flecks in it?
Flower pieces.
Oh.
It's kind of like, here, hold it up closer. It's kind of like a milky base with little pink and purple flower pieces in it.
And this one,
Ooh, okay, that's such a beautiful nude with like a bit higher.
A bit higher.
Yeah.
I'm new at this.
With blue flecks of like glitter. Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah, it's like almost peacock colors.
Yeah, that's really nice.
That's really gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm excited about that.
And so what are these, top coats?
No.
Sorry. Editing again.
These are hard gels. Ooh, okay, this was another free gift with purchase. This is a chrome. This looks like a beautiful chrome. It looks like super tealish, so I'm curious if this is gonna be like a solid colored chrome or if it's gonna be, you know, one of those like sheer layering ones, but it looks amazing.
And then some little cutie thing.
Another gift with purchase, a little keychain. Sweetie always makes really cute keychains.
And then here, I think that's some sort of bit.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what that is. So that is the diamond flame bit from MG Art. I think there should be a few of them.
Oh my goodness, there's loads.
Loads.
Look.
So the price on MG Art bits is actually really good. And actually the price on these bits, the Mayan B bits, are really good. I think they're like $18, whereas like usually I would pay $30 for.
Wow, and then a whole assortment of other ones.
Yeah, I got these carbide bits in medium. Again, these are MG Art. I got a couple of those. I got, another one of these little cylindrical bits for my clients with the rough skin. She's going to blow her nose because she's too busy crying. Boxings just make her emotional. And then I got diamond bits. I got 3 in fine, and then I got 3 in medium. And then I got one other bit. Where is it? Oh yeah, this one. It's the light touch bit. I'm just gonna use it for cleaning up under the nail when I do hard gel. And that's that box.
I'm back.
You're back.
Okay, do you want me to put those all in here
Yeah,
just for now?
that'll be great. Thank you.
Put these all away, and then we do the big box. That's the exciting box.
It's gonna be a fun box. Okay, now on to the big box. What do you think is gonna be in here? You had to take a guess.
Nail products.
Good one. Good.
Oh wow, they pack things very well.
I know what they're doing.
What are those?
Okay, so these are the Miro, are they called Space? Let me just double check the packing list. Space Magnet Collection. Now, if you'll see, I just did a recent favorites video that included the Miro layer magnet gels, which I love so much, and I said I was thinking about getting these, and then they just happened to arrive at my house. So I'm pretty excited about these. These look like beautiful magnet gels, and I can't wait to swatch them. Look at you just fucking tearing things apart.
Just trying to help with the process.
Beauty is not taken into consideration. She does rip these stickers.
Was I supposed to leave those on?
Very efficient.
She's never doing an unboxing of me again. Just open it.
Okay, this is the D-Box Season 4 collection. This is the summer Season 4. I have Season 1. All the seasons in between have been great. I actually just saw the Season 4 online and was like, oh my god, this looks amazing. And then again, she arrived at my house. So inside, oh, she's been on a bit of a rocky road. She's a little tossed up, but basically this is a collection of, I believe to be mostly cat eye gels and maybe a few glitters. Let's take a look at this one.
Oh, looks like a cool color.
Ooh, that looks like a magnet gel. There is also a magnet in here that I will add to my collection of ever-growing magnets. There is one specifically that's like a rainbow hollow. Maybe this is it, that I really want to see. Ugh. Ooh, oh. Okay, wait, let's see if that one's magnetic. I think, I can't actually tell. Hang on. Yeah, it is. This is the one. Okay, so this is actually way better than I was expecting. This is a hollow cat eye, but it's also got flecks of larger pieces of glitter, which I think is gonna really add to the like rainbowy effect.
What do you mean hollow cat eye?
You know what a hollow is?
Yes. She's not always this mean.
But it's like cat eye. You know how we do with the magnet and we shift it so it's hollow, but it's also cat eye. So it shifts, but then it's got a hollow reflect. Like it's like kind of gray rainbowy reflect.
Okay, can you see I'm still glassy-eyed? I don't really understand.
She's like, yes, I know. Ooh.
Oh.
The glasses are going on, folks. Is this cat eye?
No.
No.
No, but it's a really pretty color.
That's beautiful.
It is beautiful. We put that to the side. We might do that for me today.
Ah. Let's see if there's any other ones that you might like. No, that's, Mom is very set in her ways of, she likes pinks and corals. One time oh, that's so pretty. Look at that color.
You know what? That's really pretty. Some people are really gonna love that.
She's like, not me.
She knows me well. I'm not a blue girl. Nothing wrong with blue.
One time I got a green on her by force. A green cat eye.
It was the cat eye that turned orange in the sun.
that was good.
That was cool.
Ooh, look at this. This one is a cat eye.
Okay, that's
That's
cool
really
color.
nice.
That's really gorgeous, actually.
Oh, you know what? We should actually quickly pull out one of the Miro gels because I realize I've just deep dived into the.
Can I just, while you're doing that, can I just go through here and see if there's any cool ones?
Yeah, of course.
Ones that are really neat.
Yeah, and I'll just open up the Miros. I'll pull out the pink one first. This is M19. So these are all going to be magnet gels. Whoa. Look at that.
Okay, that's stunning.
Oh yeah, that's really cool. It's like a pink to purple to gold to like coppery reflect.
Put that one aside too, please. That's really gorgeous.
That's really, really nice. Oh, open that up, see what's inside.
Yeah, do these two.
Okay, we're back to the Divock collection.
Yeah, just because I'm kind of curious.
Ooh, you might not like this one, but it's pink with a blue reflect.
Yeah, I'm not a blue girl, but that is gorgeous.
It's so nice.
So beautiful.
You know what's an interesting stance that my mom takes, speaking of not liking blue? She thinks denim jackets don't look good on her as a whole.
They don't. Wait till you need to see it. When I put one on, people go, oh yeah, I get it.
It's so mean.
It's not mean.
Oh yeah. I see where you're coming from. Okay, this looks like just a silver cat. Don't sound so disappointed. A silver cat eye. That looks like it'll be nice because again, it's got the big flex kind of like the hollow
pretty.
one.
Just sorry, I'm voicing my own opinion.
Yeah, she's thinking about her own nails. Her manicure soon to come. Ooh, okay, this looks crazy. So remember, this is a space collection, so doesn't that look like it's like some
I
sort
love
of like
those space nails you posted yesterday, and we said they were space are cool.
Oh, space rocks or space rocks?
Yeah, really cool.
Thank you.
That was a good post. Love those.
Whoa, look at that. That reflect? It's like so silky. It literally looks like it's like a space station or something.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
I realize they might not be able to see because of our big heads. That's really cool.
For yourself.
I will do a proper swatching video at a later date. Not today, but at a later date. My mom won't be there.
Thank God you're all thinking.
Okay, this is the underwater collection. Oh, I was actually wondering about that. So that,
You want to look at this first?
yeah, that goes with this. That goes with the Divock collection.
Oh.
Okay, so this is actually really cool. This is especially great if you have all the collections. So this is the Divock summer collections, but the way they do it is you put the O-rings through the top, and then you put your swatches on each card. So you switch the pages, so summer 1, summer 2, summer 3, summer 4, and all the swatches would be in one place. So you'd flip it over.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
And I like that it has sort of a representation of where they're going with the colors.
Yeah, like it gives more of the vibe than it does. So this is summer 4, which is cool. So I only have summer 1 and summer 4, so our middle pages will be blank, but you know.
Until you get them,
Well,
if you do.
if I do. And then we're gonna open the Rosy Hip Underwater collection. Now, we all know I'm a huge fan of Rosy Hip. I literally have, I wanna say most collections at this point. It's actually probably my biggest collection of gels I have are Rosy Hip. Again, this comes with a magnet inside. Again, add to my magnet collection. Inside the box, we also have the
What's that?
underwater card. So you put your swatches on here.
Oh, okay, that's nice. So will you swatch them on there and also put them in your folders with all the colors that people see?
So what I try to do is when I get a new collection, I'll put them all on the cards and I'll put all the cards up there. And then when I get a new round of collections, I'll take all those swatches and put them in my swatch books. And then I'll update my shelf with the new swatches.
Okay, that's good. So people see what's new.
What's new,
and
exactly.
exciting.
Exactly. Okay, let's start with RM58. Let's have a look. Ooh.
That's pretty.
It's very soft. I think this whole collection is a little bit on the softer side, like glitter, cat. I think it's all cat eye, but it's all just like a very kind of pastel, soft vibe. I did see some close-ups with flash, and it looked like lots of them will have like a bit of a like fun reflect in it, like I don't know if it's rainbowy, but it has some other colors in it, which is cool.
Yes, but it's gentle. It's like
yeah, super
delicate.
soft. Yeah, exactly. But Rosy Hip, they've never done any wrong, so I'm assuming this collection is going to be great. Ooh, this one's a little bit more blue, and it looks like it has
Like
a bit
teal.
more silvery in it. Yeah,
Yeah.
teal, and then it has, I can see right now, it has like the occasional more purple reflect in it, which is nice. Again, I'm doing a horrible job showing you the colors right now, but...
Why are you doing a horrible job?
Well, because it's hard. I'll do a better job in our proper swatching video at a later date. This is RM62. Oh yeah, soft purple.
Oh, that's super pretty.
Right?
Yeah,
And
like a
periwinkly,
lilac-y
yeah.
kind of color.
That's nice. I think they're all kind of in the blue, teal kind of... Oh, no, there's a couple pinks in here.
Oh, good.
Let's pull those out. Ooh.
Very
really soft.
princessy.
Yeah, very cool toned kind of pink. And I can see a purple reflect in it as well, which is nice. I'm just blocking you out. This looks like a ballet slippery color. Ooh, look at that.
Okay, that is very pretty.
That's beautiful. It's like very soft, almost silver, but like with the slightest pink tint to it. That's really nice.
This is more of a lilac-y kind of one too.
Okay, RM67. This will be the last one. This one's just like a silvery one.
Yeah.
So you know my mom doesn't like it. Okay, that's everything. That
was fun.
That was great.
I liked. Can I come back?
Yeah.
And do this?
Yeah. We'll try and I'll hoard my next round of products for the next time you're in, and we can do another unboxing.
She's just great.
Thanks. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys, and
Thanks,
look at the next
guys.
video. Oh, what are you gonna say? Like, subscribe.
Oh, please link it down below and subscribe so she gets more followers, because we love her and we want her to do well.
Did you hear that? Link and subscribe.
What am I supposed to say?
Like,
Thank you.
bye.